Hello. So to install True Social app on iPhone, you can just go to App Store, and now it should be available in the App Store. And then yeah, you should just tap on download of the cloud icon, or yeah, and that should be it. So the app size is just 10 megabytes, and this is the app basically. Um, and then until it says open, and that's basically it. So now you download this app. Um, So that's basically it. There are not many reviews yet because it was just released. It was possible to pre-order it, but now it's already here. So there you have it. It's not available on Android, I don't think, and it's not on Samsung Galaxy or anything. So it's only on iPhone. It's not on Apple Watch and iPad. So yep, and then you can just open and try to create an account. However, notice that in first hours or days it can be a bit buggy because there probably will be like a lot of users trying to create an account, and usually these kind of apps can fail pretty often. So that's that.